Have you ever been told not to eat leafy greens if you're on blood thinners? Or to avoid potassium if you're taking blood pressure meds? You're not alone. And this is the medication conversation every person over 50 needs to have, but most doctors don't bring it up. Welcome to Wellness Reboot 50 Plus. Today, we're talking about how certain healing foods can interact with medications and how to work with your doctor to navigate it safely. Why does this conversation matter? Over 70% of adults over 50 take at least one prescription medication. At the same time, many are turning to plant-based foods for healing. But some plant foods, especially powerful ones like greens, herbs, and high-fiber meals, can affect how medications are absorbed or metabolized. This isn't about fear, it's about being informed. Let's talk about how to make food and medicine work together for your healing. Leafy greens and blood thinners. Greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are rich in vitamin K, which helps blood clot. If you're on a blood thinner, sudden increases or decreases in vitamin K can throw your levels off. You don't need to eliminate greens, you just need consistency and monitoring. Thyroid and antidepressants. Fiber slows digestion, which is great for blood sugar, but can delay how quickly certain medications take effect. High-fiber meals can impact medications like thyroid meds or antidepressants. It is suggested to take meds on an empty stomach. Blood pressure. Blood pressure medications like ACE inhibitors or potassium-sparing diuretics can raise potassium levels. Foods like bananas, potatoes, avocado, and coconut water are rich in potassium. Warning signs to be aware of are fatigue, muscle weakness, and irregular heartbeat if potassium gets too high. Many providers are trained in medications, not nutrition. They may not discuss how a plant-based diet impacts dosages or timing. Be your own advocate. You don't have to choose between food and medicine. Ask your doctor, how can I keep my leafy greens consistent with this prescription? Should I space out fiber-rich meals with this med? Do I need to monitor potassium levels if I increase these foods? So let's be clear. Plant foods are medicine, but they're powerful. And like all medicine, they require guidance. Want to take this further? Download my Medication and Plant Food Interaction Guide and join our plant-based community for smart, supported healing after 50. The link is in the bio. Join the Wellness Reboot 50 Plus community. Eat smart, heal wisely, thrive intentionally.